अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ सोशल नेटवर्किंग वेबसाइट्स। Social networking sites are a great platform for people to connect with their loved ones. It helps to communicate and increase communication with people from all over the world. Although people believe that social networking sites are harmful, they are also very beneficial. Additionally, we can categorize social networking sites as blogging and podcasting. We use social networking sites for a variety of purposes. They help us a lot. However, it is also very dangerous. We should monitor the use of social networking sites and limit their use so that it does not become an addiction. Advantages and disadvantages of social networking sites. Social networking sites are everywhere now. In other words, they have taken over almost every sphere of life. They both come with advantages as well as disadvantages. If we talk about the field of education, these sites enhance education by influencing learners. You can explore different topics for your projects. Additionally, the business field greatly benefits from social networking sites. Companies use social networking sites to better connect with their potential clients and business partners. Additionally, job seekers use the sites to better connect with employers and firms. This gives them a better chance to find better jobs. On the other hand, the disadvantages of social networking sites are very high. These give rise to cybercrime such as cyberwar, bringing down a network or service, sexual exploitations, money scams, etc. These are very harmful to children because people expose them to pornography, etc. They also provide easy access to pedophiles of children's information. Most importantly, excessive use of social networking sites can make you a bad addict. They lower the productivity level of people. Moreover, it makes them inactive and restricts their physical activities. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thank you.